So data type is known as the type of data which you will be using in the program. For example, if you write a in the program, you write a is equal to 10. Okay, now this a is we have assigned this value 10 to a. That means this data type is now become integer data type. Okay, when we assign some variable, when we assign a variable with some value, that is value like this or any value, then let me do this 10.5. Okay, let me write like this 10.5. That means this a is assigned with floating data types. Okay, floating data type. Floating means decimal data type. Okay, and when we assign a with 10, then it is integer data type. Okay, it can store integer data type. When we assign 10.5 or something 5.5, 6.5, then this variable a becomes become floating point equal to like this. Okay, with a single quotation a, then this a becomes the character data type. Okay, this a becomes the character or string data type. Number data type contain is again divided into three types. First one is integer, then floating point, and complex number. Okay, this complex is all those complex number you used in mathematical operations like a or a plus bi, this type of operation comes under this complex data type. Okay, then again we have sequence. In sequence is again of three types: string, list, and tuples. Okay, then next we have sets, then none will be there, none data type will be there. Then next we have mapping and dictionary. So false or true. Okay, boolean comes under this false or true, or 0, or it is also known as 0 or 1. Okay, this boolean, under this boolean it is again divided into false and true value. That is, false means 0 and true means 1. Then we have floating data types. It comes under number. So floating data type includes those decimal value, like if you represent something, if you represent a variable with some 5.5 or 5.6, then this will comes under floating point. Okay, or if you represent like this minus 2.3, then this b becomes the floating point data type. Complex, that is complex number. So if you represent something like 2 plus 3i, 2 plus 3i is equal to something like x. Okay, x is equal to 2 plus 3. That means this data type of x is complex. Okay, data type of x is complex. Line a is equal to let's take it as 4. Okay, then just write type. Okay, type, then in bracket you want to know the type of a. That means data type of a. If you want to know what data type does a represent, then you can print like this. See, it is showing class integer. So data type for a is integer data type. Okay, it is showing class int. That means it is of integer data type. So if you write like this, for example, num1 is equal to 7.5. Okay, if you write like this, then and you want to know its data type, then you will type like this and in bracket num1. Okay, after, then it shows float. Float means floating point. Okay, float is representation for floating point. Then if you write like D or A is equal to hello. Okay, you write A is equal to hello, then you want to know the type of this A, you will write like this A, see, str. This means this type of this A is string data type. Okay, string data type. Or if you write like this, simple S. Oh, sorry. For you want to know the data type for A, then see. This is showing string data type. Okay. Python sequence is an ordered collection of items where each item is indexed by an integer value. Okay. This sequence is an ordered collection of items where each item is indexed by an integer value. It means that, for example, if you store hello, okay, each of the alphabet you are using here, each of the alphabet you are using here will be indexed by integer value. Okay, so first character is H, so H is indexed with 0, and next character is E is indexed with 1, and L indexed with 2, and L again indexed with 3, then 0 indexed with 4. Is it clear? This index part? Is it clear? So for every integer string value, it will always index with integer number, that is, see, 2, 5. Okay. String can also be represented by 2, 5, or string can also be represented as special symbols. Special symbols like your and your dollar symbol, or even space, etc. This all can also includes under this string data type. Okay. So what will be the difference between this integer value we are using in string and all those you are using in character? See, let me show you a difference. Okay, if you write something A is equal to 5, okay, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. Then when you print A plus B, see, the result comes to be 11. But if you represent A is equal to let's represent something else. Let's use Y, okay, Y variable. Y is equal to, then you want to use character or string data type. Okay, here I am using 5 as string. See the difference. If you use 5 as integer, then you will not put any quotation. Okay, if you use any number or any integer, then you will not use quotation. But if you use it as a string, then you will use quotation. Okay, this quotation, either double quotation you can use it, or single quotation. Then y is equal to 6, and you want to see the result for addition of x and y. Print x plus y. Okay, then it is showing 56. Why? Because we are not adding it actually. Okay, we are not adding it actually when we use it as a string. When we use it as a string, it will add like one after another. Okay, this is known as concatenation. The addition of string is just concatenation. Okay, and when you use it as an integer, then it will add like your mathematical operation. Here this plus is not your mathematical operation. This plus means concatenation. See the difference. Okay, this one is known as concatenation. This one is known as addition of numbers. Let me show you another example. Z is equal to, let me write it as hello. Okay, then next y is equal to world, W-O-R-L-D, world. Okay, and if you want to see the result for concatenation, Z plus Y. Okay, see it is showing hello world by concatenating the two string, that is Z and Y, that is hello and world. It is showing the result like this. List. Okay, list is a sequence of items separated by commas, and items are enclosed in square bracket. Okay, see, this list and tuple, they are of same thing, but there is some difference in it. So list also can represent different data types. Like see, in list 1 we have 5 is integer data type. 3.4, it is of floating data type. Then this New Delhi, it is of string data type. And 20C string data type. Okay, it is again string because it is enclosed by quotation. Okay, then we have 45 is for integer. See, so any other all those previous data types, they can hold a single data type only.